What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today I am so excited to be filming this because I'm going to be transforming this wall right here into my filming space. I usually film my try-on hauls in my living room, but I found that the sound is a little weird because it is a larger space. So if I do it in my room, the sound will sound a little clearer because I don't have a microphone right now. I film on my iPhone. So yeah, I just thought this would be a good idea. And also, like, this wall has never had anything on it. It's always been white, so I just wanted to switch that up a little bit. So I got some things from Amazon, Home Goods, and I went to Michael's also today. So I'm just going to show you guys those things real quick. Also, the links to all of these items will be down in the description box, so make sure you guys go check that out. I'm going to be using this brick wallpaper. It was only $8 and I got 3 rolls, which I feel like is going to be a lot because I'm only doing this wall. So yeah, this is the wallpaper that I'm going to be using, and it's supposed to be really easy to install. It's a sticker, so all you have to do is peel off the sticker part and then put it on your wall. To make this process a little bit easier for me, I bought this like wallpaper kit, and it comes with an X-Acto knife, and it also comes with like the smoothing thing so that you don't get air bubbles in your wallpaper. This should be really helpful. Next thing I got are these wall shelves, which I'm not sure if I'm going to use yet because once you drill this into your wall, it's a wrap and it has to stay there. So I really have to think about this. I do have stuff to put on it if I do use it, and if I don't use it, I'll just return that stuff because sis over here want her money back, period. Okay. Yeah, and by the way, I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. I forgot to mention I went there also. Also from Bed Bath & Beyond, I got these little crystal things. These stones, actually, I don't even know what this is for. I really don't. I just saw pink and I picked it up. I don't know why. It says that the pink is for love, or the rose quartz is for love, and the crystal quartz is for healing, which I need both of these in my life right now, so I think I'll be using these. Alright, the next thing from Bed Bath & Beyond is this picture frame, and it's like a magnet. All you have to do is like put the picture in there and then clip this back together. I already have a picture that I want to put in here. I just have to like print it out. Next, I got these lights, which I am so excited for because why not? Like, come on. These lights, they're gonna look bomb with the brick wall. Okay guys, so from Home Goods, I got this little, like, what do you call this? It's not a succulent. It's like, I guess you could say it's a succulent, but doesn't a succulent have to be in a jar? Or am I bugging? I don't know, but I got this little cute little artificial plant thingy, and I'm going to paint this gold because that's kind of my theme. It's like a white, gold, and like a pop of color type of theme. So yeah, I was so excited when I found this. This is like so adorable. All right, so this is my best find, honestly. It's this eyelash like poster thing. Well, it's actually in a frame, but I fell in love with this. This was the last one that they had, so I was so excited that I found this. I'm definitely going to be using this. It doesn't matter if I use those wall shelves or not. This is going up on my wall. It has to. It just has to, because girl, like, come on. The last thing I got from Michael's, not from Michael's, the last thing I got from Home Goods is this poster that says Girl Boss. I really love this, but honestly, it is so freaking big. Like, I don't know where I'm going to put this. I might put this on the other side of my wall. Yeah, I might put this on the other side of my wall. But it is so big, but it's so cute. Like, come on. Look, come on. Come on. So those are all the items that I got, and now I'm just going to begin to try to put up this wallpaper. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications to be notified the next time I post. Let's get into it. So you guys, this video was recorded over a couple of days. The first day that I recorded was September 8th, and while I'm editing this video, this is the last day and it is September 21st. So it did take me a while to do this. One, because I'm really lazy, and once I was over it, and I just stopped for the day and then I continued on the next day. But I also ran into a problem where I didn't have enough wallpaper, so I had to order more. I had to wait for it to come. You know how that go. So yeah, after I got the wallpaper, everything was up and I was just trying to figure out like where I wanted to put things. And after a while, I wasn't satisfied with the things that I had. I wanted more stuff. And I just kept going out and looking for more stuff to just like make the space a little, a little cuter, you feel me? So I ended up finding one other thing, and you guys will see that later on in the video. It's a blue chair that I got from, matter of fact, y'all gonna have to watch the rest of the video to know where I got it from. So you guys, this is the chair that I was talking about, and I got this from Century 21. As you guys know, or if you don't know, Century 21 is closing down, so they had like a big blowout sale, and I found this there. The original price was like $80 something, and I paid like, I think I paid $60 for it, which is still a lot, but honestly it is so cute and I don't regret it. So you guys, this is the finished look and I absolutely love how this turned out. The only thing that I want to get is an artificial plant, which I cannot find one right now, but when I do, I'll tell you guys where I got it from. And also, I realized that you cannot order stuff and shop on homegoods.com because every store has different items. So the items that I did get from HomeGoods, I will not be able to leave in the description, but everything else I will. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.